Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for being here. Today we have my Boxycharm base box for August. Let's get in here and see what I've got. I always refer to Boxycharm as one of the few mysteries left out there. We do have choice. With our base box we have one choice, but the rest of the box is a mystery. They give 1,000 spoilers every month, and you may or may not get one of those spoilers. You could get an entire box full of nothing you've ever seen on the internet. So it's always a surprise, which I kind of like. Although I will say, I see the things that they're spoiling and I'm like, oh, I hope I get that. Sometimes I do, sometimes I don't. The beauty is a lot of the times I even forget what the spoilers were. When I open up my box, this is what we've got. Ooh, don't know what that is on top. Oh, I do know. I only know because I just did my Ipsy glam bag. I had a single shadow in it and somebody was like, oh, by the way, oh, I wish I could remember who told me that. The single shadow is in one of the palettes from the Boxy base box. This is the palette. All right, let's dig right in here. Oh, I just did a try on with my Glam X, so I don't have any available eye space. We'll have to swatch it old school. We have Boxycharm Go All Out. That is what the front looks like. And I got variation 20. It's a pretty low number. We're gonna start with this right on top since we've seen it, and it's either the Ditto or the Dido Venus palette, limited edition. I don't think that this is what I chose for this month. Oh, it's sealed. Oh, that's so pretty. I love the way it's laid out. Oh my goodness. When we open it up, the top does have a mirror, but look how this is. It's all the planets. That is so, there's too many there to be planets. She's so smart. I think there's too many there to be planets. Let's see what we've got. Well, this is interesting. What is so interesting about this is this says Mars, and the one that I got in my Ipsy bag also said Mars, and I promise you that is not the same thing. I think the one in my Ipsy bag looked like that. So I think it was mismarked because that says Jupiter, and mine definitely had a Mars sticker on it. So, I mean, it's down to the right texture and everything. If I'm wrong about this, I will be letting you know right here. I will try and maybe take a picture for an insert, but yeah, those don't match up. These are super pretty though. Let's see what the paperwork says and then we will swatch a few. Dido Cosmetics limited edition Venus 12 shade palette. Float through the stars with this limited edition palette. It represents the planet Venus with 12 shades that embody glittering gold to warm neutral brown colors. The opaque, high pigmented satin soft formula provides an adhesive for multiple beautiful shades ranging from matte, shimmery, creamy, ultra shiny glitter, and shimmer with sparkle to create your glam look. It has a $29.99 value. This earth one, but for the fact that it's kind of glittery, you could use as a highlighter. Can you see that at the top of my hand up here? Let's try this Callisto. Oh, it feels really creamy. Oh, wow, look how pretty she is. And this is Ganymede. It's kind of a purple. It's kind of almost like a charcoaly purple. Let's see, this one is the silver and gold kind of mixed. Imos. Oh, it's very glittery. Yeah, I probably won't use this one in real life because I, as a rule, don't put glitters on my eyes because I'm afraid I'm gonna end up with them in my eyes. We have Mercury here, and it's just a matte base color. I love it regardless of the palette. I love it when it has that. All right, let's see what these colors look like. Oh my goodness. I will be wearing that color. Wow, I would buy that palette just for that in a heartbeat. The saturation on this purple one, these are stunning. The glitter, oh wow, even the glitter. Oh, so it's, what it does is it puts gold down and then it kind of puts silver sparkles in it. I might have lied, I might use that. Those are amazing. Right, I'm back, and you don't even know I was missing. I couldn't stand it another minute. I had to go get it. So this is the Mars on this palette. This little box came in my Ipsy glam bag, and that is Mars. It says it right on it. Can you guys see the difference in this? This is so much more gold. And granted, it's been swatched, but it didn't have those bumps and it's more gold. I hope that comes across. I mean, they absolutely in real life don't even look slightly the same. Just, does that mean anything? It means absolutely nothing. I just find it very interesting and thought I would share. Next out of the box, I'm gonna grab for this because I think, judging from what's in the box, this must have been my choice because I absolutely did not choose anything else in that box. Did that sound negative? What I believe I chose is the Purlisse Age Glow Serum BB Cream SPF 40. Oh, do you think I chose it? With bakuchiol, collagen, and vitamin C? Doesn't sound like I would have chosen it. I will let you know here if I chose this, or if I didn't by chance get what I chose. I probably chose this. That is what that looks like. It is in the color Fair, which would imply that I picked it. That is the color. I think probably it's perfect for my face. That is what that looks like. Doesn't have much scent at all. The scent that it has almost smells like a suntan lotion. Yeah, I will absolutely give this a try. The paperwork says Purely's Ageless Glow Serum BB Cream with SPF 40, a multitasking serum infused beauty balm that contains bakuchiol, algae collagen, and vitamin C to firm the skin's elasticity, brighten, and moisturize, all while providing full, natural, glowy coverage and protecting your skin with SPF 40. $38 value, and it says that it is a new launch. So, I mean, I probably picked it. Next out of the box. I'm going to open the box to show you the bottle, but I am not going to open the bottle, I believe, if the game were to end right now. I already have 3 of these. It is the Earth Harbor. That is what that looks like. This is what the box looks like. This is Earth Harbor Naturals Aqua Aura Reparative Eye Cream, inspired by the iridescent blue-green crystal known for healing and strengthening. Aqua Aura Reparative Eye Cream is restorative and awakening, featuring a brightening and hydrating combination of seaweed collagen, blue tansy, potent antioxidants, and replenishing plant oils, and soothing actives for an eye area that looks firmer and feels stronger. $34. Next out of the box, I have the Kate Somerville Exfoliate Glow Moisturizer. Ooh, I really wish I could use this. This is a pricey product. This is probably the hero product in my box, and I'm afraid I probably can't use it. This says Kate Somerville Exfoliate Glow Moisturizer. Revive dull, dry, lackluster looking skin with Kate's Exfoliate Glow Moisturizer. Powerhouse ingredients remove dead surface skin cells while smoothing fine lines and wrinkles to reveal younger looking skin. And it has a $70 value. Well, I'm betting that those powerhouse ingredients are all like lactic and glycolic acids. We'll see. This is what it looks like. And look, it has a little happy face with a wink on top. Yes, I do have to actually lower my mouth like that to wink. Let's see what the box says. It is cruelty-free, is made in the USA. It has lactic acid, glycolic acid. Technically, everything else in here I could use, and something about it makes me want to try it, but lactic and glycolic acids will make my face look like a strawberry, so I will pass that one along. And last out of the box, I have a Manicadar Hydrating Face Mist, and this is a 6.08 ounces. It says Happy Hydration. I am not even going to take the plastic off of this one because I will probably pass it along because I have one of these. I have a shelf downstairs with all of my mists on it to choose my mist for the day, for my mood, whether it's in the morning after I put on makeup or like when I go down from doing this. I am smoking hot right now, so I will probably mist up. Funny thing is, I reach for my Ciate London coconut one in 90% of the time, but I have other options, and this is one of them. It says Manicadar Beauty Happy Hydration Face Mist. Soothe and refresh skin with a mist that preps skin for a hydrating base before makeup application. This mighty mist of minerals wakes up skin, leaving you ready to take on the rest of your day, and it has a $19 value. That was my August 2021 base box. I chose, I believe, based on these products, the Purely's Ageless Glow BB Serum. I say I chose it because it is fair, it is a physical, not a chemical sunscreen. This sounds like something I would have chosen. They gave me a Manicadar mist, which by the way, this has a really, really lovely mist on it. It comes out very fine and it has a nice scent. As I recall, it does definitely have a scent to it though, if you are bothered by scent. How many people would be thrilled to get this? I can't wear it because of all of the acids in it, but I got the Exfoliate Glow Moisturizer. That's a nice product. I got the Earth Harbor Aqua Aura Reparative Eye Cream. It is a lovely eye cream, but I have several, so I will pass this one along. And I got the Ditto/Dido, I really wish I had looked that up, Venus palette, and it is a limited edition. I can't wait to get into these colors and really play with putting them on my eye. I would have done that today, but I just did this eye look when I did my Ipsy Glam X just a few minutes ago. Let me know what you think. The value on this box is $191 in value. I mean, That's really, really good. Even if I only use the eyeshadow and the Pure Lace, this is $68 worth of value. And this is a $25. This is the base box. So this is a $25 per month box. Plus, you get to choose one of your items. So even on months, maybe like this one, where everything isn't perfect for you, you know you have at least one product, this is $38, that more than covers the cost of the box. And I am happy to try this. I have just about finished. I am finishing off a Wander Beauty, I think it's illuminating foundation. I like it a lot. It has a little doe foot on it. That's what I have on today, which looked better a couple videos ago before the heat of this room got to me. But I'm ready for a new one, so I will absolutely give that a try. Let me know below what you guys think. Did you like your base box this month? Did you get any of these things? Thanks so much for coming by, guys. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll know when I have more videos coming out. And I'll see you really soon. Take care.